Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter today, chapter number 2, Plants on the Earth from the book Science Zero. First chapter headlines, parts of a plant and then types of plants include trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. So all these things we study in this chapter, okay? Before we start, plants are beautiful, green and very useful. We see different types of plants around us. Let us come to know about the plants. Plants बहुत beautiful होते हैं, green होते हैं और काफ़ी ज़्यादा useful भी होते हैं, right? And ये काफ़ी तरीके के होते हैं, हमने आसपास भी देखे हैं, right? तो इसी के बारे में हम इस चैप्टर में रीड करेंगे, okay? Then plants are different shapes and sizes. Some plants are big, others are small. They look different from one another. Plants जो होते हैं different shapes के होते हैं, different sizes के होते हैं, okay? और जो कुछ plants होते हैं वो कोई बड़ा होता है, कोई छोटा होता है, okay? And वो दिखने में भी बहुत ज़्यादा different होते हैं, right? Plants need food and water. Plants are mostly fixed at a place. Plants को food and water दोनों की need होती है ताकि वो alive रह सके. And ये जो plants होते हैं वो fixed रहते हैं एक ही place पे, okay? Parts of a plant. A plant has different parts. Some parts grow above the soil. Some parts grow below the soil. जो प्लांट होते हैं इनके डिफरेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं. कुछ पार्ट्स above the soil grow करते हैं और कुछ पार्ट below the soil. Okay, so these all are the parts. First, this is a flower. Then this is branch. This is called a fruit. These are the below the soil. These are the root. This part is called stem and these are the leaf. Okay? First, roots of a plant are below the ground. जो roots होती है plant की वो हमेशा ground के below नीचे होती है. Second, roots hold the plant. जो roots होती हैं वो plant को hold करके रखती है. Okay? Third, each plant has one stem. हर एक प्लांट की एक ही स्टेम होती है. फोर्थ, ब्रांचेस शूट आउट फ्रॉम द स्टेम. जो ब्रांचेस होती है वो स्टेम में से ग्रो करती हैं, ओके? फिफ्थ, लीव्स ग्रो ऑन ब्रांचेस. जो लीव्स होती हैं वो ब्रांचेस पर ग्रो करती हैं. सिक्स्थ, लीव्स आर ऑफ डिफरेंट साइजेस एंड शेप्स. लीव्स जो होती है वो डिफरेंट साइज की होती है एंड डिफरेंट शेप की होती है डिफरेंट प्लांट्स में. Seventh, plants bear flowers and fruits. जो plants है उनके ऊपर flowers भी आते हैं and fruits भी आते हैं. Eighth, flowers are of different colors, shapes and sizes. जो flowers होते हैं वो different colors के, shapes के और size के होते हैं. The plants give us fruits and flowers. जो plants होते हैं वो हमें fruits and flowers देते हैं. The fruits are good for our हेल्थ. जो फ्रूट्स होते हैं हमारी हेल्थ के लिए अच्छे होते हैं. वी मस्ट ईट फ्रूट्स. हमें फ्रूट्स जरूर खाने चाहिए. द फ्रूट्स हैव विटामिन्स, प्रोटीन्स एंड आयरन. फ्रूट्स के अंदर ये सब न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं, ओके? देन टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स. देयर इज ट्रीज. बिग एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड ट्री. The banyan, mango and coconut are trees. तो जो big और strong plant होते हैं उनको हम tree कहते हैं. जैसे यहाँ example दिया है banyan, mango, coconut. These all are the examples of trees. Okay? Then there is shrubs. Some plants are small. They are called shrubs. कुछ plants जो होते हैं वो small होते हैं. उनको हम shrubs कहते हैं. For example, rose. then jasmine, and then sunflower. Okay? Then there is herbs. Some plants are very small. They are called herbs. कुछ plants बहुत ज़्यादा small होते हैं, उनको हम herbs कहते हैं. Example, grass, and then tulsi, which is also called basil. Okay? Then there is climber. Some plants are weak. They need support to climb up. Such plants are called climbers. कुछ प्लांट्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत वीक होते हैं, उन्हें सपोर्ट चाहिए होता है क्लाइंब करने के लिए, मतलब ऊपर जाने के लिए. ओके, सो उनको हम क्लाइंबर्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मनी प्लांट. ओके, देन देयर इज ग्रेप वाइन. ओके, देन क्रीपर्स. सम प्लांट्स ग्रो अलोंग द ग्राउंड. दे हैव थिन एंड वीक stems. They are called creepers. Pumpkin and watermelon are creepers. कुछ plants ऐसे होते हैं जो ground पर ही grow करते हैं. Okay, इनकी जो stem होती है that is very weak. Okay, and thin भी होती है काफी ज़्यादा इनकी stem, इसलिए हम इन्हें creepers कहते हैं. And the examples for creepers are pumpkin and watermelon. Okay, then recap. Plants need food and water. Plants को food and water दोनों की need होती है. Leaf, stem, roots, branch, fruit and flower are the main parts of a plant. These all are the main parts of a plant. Roots hold the plant. जो roots होते हैं वो plant को hold करके रखते हैं. Plants give us fruits and flowers. जो plants होते हैं वो हमें fruits and flowers दोनों देते हैं. Big and strong plants are called trees. जो big and strong plants होते हैं उनको हम trees कहते हैं. Climbers need some support to climb up. जो climbers होते हैं उनको कुछ support चाहिए होता है ताकि वो ऊपर जा सके. Okay? Objective skill. Exercise A. Tick the correct answer. First, plants need dash. We have options: A. Food, B. Water, C. Both. Answer is both. Then second, dash of a plant are below the ground. We have options: A. Stem, B. Roots, C. Leaves. Answer is roots. Third, the dash have vitamins, proteins and iron. We have options: A. Leaves, B. Flowers, C. Fruits. Answer is fruits. Then fourth, big and strong plants are called dash. We have options: A. Trees, B. Herbs, C. Climbers. Answer is trees. Fifth, tulsi, basil is an example of dash. We have options: A. Herbs, B. Climbers, C. Creepers. Answer is herbs. Then sixth, pumpkin is an example of dash. We have option: A. Climbers, B. Creepers, C. Trees. Answer is creepers. Then B. Choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. We have options: shrub, fruit, shrubs, branches, figs. First, plants are mostly dash at a place. Answer is fixed. Second, dash shoot out from the stem. Answer is branches. Third, the dash are food for our health. Answer is fruits. Then fourth, jasmine is an example of dash. Answer is shrubs. Then fifth, dash are small plants with thick stem. Answer is shrubs. C. Identify the type of following plants. Plant का type लिखना है. Name, then there is type, then again name, then there is type. So first is cotton plant. cotton plant is a shrub. Okay. Then rose plant. Rose plant is also a shrub. Then there is beans, which is a climber. Then grass. Grass is a herb. Then pumpkin. Pumpkin is a creeper. And then sunflower. Sunflower is a shrub. Then D, paste the pictures of the following in given boxes. So in this question, you need to paste the picture of different types of plants. First, grapevine, then mango tree, then rose plant. You can paste the picture in the given blank boxes by yourself. Okay. Then creative skill, activity zone. A, look at these pictures, spot the herbs, shrubs, trees and fill in the blanks. Okay. So first one is a rose, which is a shrub. Then second one is a jasmine, which is again a shrub. Then this one is a sunflower, which is also a shrub. Then this one is a coconut tree, which is a tree. Then this one is mango, which is a tree. And this one is banyan, which is a tree. Then in the end, this one is a grass, which is a herb. Then art integration. B, color the given pictures and name them. So you can color the pictures by yourself. I'll just help you with naming them. Okay. So this is a leaf of a banana leaf. Okay. Then this is again a leaf, so I'll write here leaf only. Then this one is a flower, which is lotus. And this is again a flower, which is rose. Then this is a fruit, which is mango. And this is the picture of a tomato. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.